Hi there, my name is Johan, I'm a technician from Appliance Service Guys. I suggest you do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. This is a Samsung front-loading washing machine. Reason for service call: noise and unpleasant burning smell during spin cycle. I start diagnosing the Samsung washing machine, turn on the washing machine and conduct a visual inspection of it. I noticed that there was water visible inside the washing machine at the bottom of the drum. Now I'll turn on the drain mode to drain the water and take a closer look at the drum. I open the washing machine door and try to manually turn the drum. The drum does not rotate as it should. At this stage of diagnosis, I already understand what the reason is. The drum, which rotates easily inside the tank, now rotates with great difficulty. The tank and drum of the Samsung washing machine have mechanical damage and must be replaced. The water does not drain because plastic fragments that broke off from the tank and parts of the destroyed bearing spider block the drain pump. This completes the diagnostic of the washing machine. Well, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to learn more about the process of repairing and servicing appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Bye bye.